In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful. Good morning, everyone. How are you? This is Mrs. Hafsa, your assistant teacher from Divisional Public School, Chichawatni. Dear students, online lectures has incorporated video lectures and detailed simulations helping students to develop conceptual understanding of the scientific and all educational concepts. So let's start our today's topic. Today's topic is the physical state of the earth. Unit number 1. Dear students, the earth structure consists of 3 parts: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The structure is similar to that of an egg. The crust is like the shell. Its mantle is like the egg white, and the core is like the yolk. The crust is found beneath mountain ranges and oceans. Its thickness ranges from 40 kilometers under mountains and only 8 kilometers under ocean. Now I am going to the second part of the earth, which is mantle. Part of the earth's mantle is made of rocks. It's so hot that is the liquid of mountains. It measures 29 kilometers of thickness. These mountain rocks see 2 cracks in the crust. Dear students, the third part of the earth is core. The earth's core is mostly made up of iron. It divided into 2 parts. The inner core and the outer core. Inner core is solid when the outer core is in liquid state. An estimate of the core temperature ranges from 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Scientists understand the composition of the earth better by studying seismic waves.